Is Dropbox refusing to upload your files, or are they stuck on syncing? Yeah, this can happen for several reasons, from a weak connection to storage limits or file issues. In this guide, I'll show you the main fixes to get your Dropbox uploads working again. First, check your internet connection. Open a browser and load a few websites to make sure everything is working normally. If your connection is slow or keeps disconnecting, fix the network first, because Dropbox needs a stable connection to upload files. Next, click the Dropbox icon on your computer and check the sync status. If Dropbox is paused, resume syncing. Also look for any warning or error message that could explain why the upload isn't progressing. These messages can give you a useful clue. Now check your Dropbox storage. If your account has reached its storage limit, new files may not upload. Open your Dropbox account settings and review your current storage usage. If you're close to the limit, remove files you no longer need or consider a plan with more space. Next, check the file you're trying to upload. Make sure it isn't being moved, renamed, or used by another application while Dropbox is trying to upload it. If possible, close the file and try again. Also check whether the file name or location is causing a problem. If only one particular file refuses to upload, check its size and format. Very large files can take longer to upload, especially on a slow connection. If other files upload normally, test with a small sample file to see whether the issue is limited to that specific file. If uploads are still stuck, restart Dropbox. Close the application completely, wait a few seconds, and open it again. Then place a small test file in your Dropbox folder and watch the sync status. So this quick restart can clear temporary upload problems. If the problem continues, check for an available Dropbox update. Using an outdated application can sometimes cause syncing problems. If updating doesn't solve it, reinstall the official Dropbox application and sign in again. Before doing this, make sure important files are safely stored. And that's how to fix Dropbox when it won't upload files. Check your connection, sync status, storage, and the file itself, then restart or update Dropbox if necessary. Work through these fixes one at a time, and you should be able to find what's stopping your uploads.